Your personal vow. Start with the man. Wong, with Mariam.
Thank you for coming to the celebration.
Kadumubog. Kadumog.
Be my lovely wedded wife, and I promise you to be a faithful husband, to be with you in times of trouble, not only with happiness, but in every day of our life.
I often wonder what made us fall in love with each other. We are so different from each other. Our strengths and our weaknesses are so different. Our ways of approaching things are so different. Yet, our love continues to grow and grow. Perhaps the difference we have and to the excitement of our relationship adds to the excitement of our relationship. And I know that both of us as a team are stronger than either of us alone. We are basically different from each other, but we have so many feelings and emotions in common. And it really doesn't matter why we fell in love. All that matters to me is that we continue to love each other forever.
May we have the rings, please?